question. Should someone have 2 lunch boxes for meat or dairy if typically the lunch is cold and the food does not touch the lunchbox?
So in this case, it's not necessary, or you have like sealed food, right? Some sealed cheese or whatever they take. There is no problem whatsoever. Or let's say they take their own container and right, and like that's locks, like this plastic storage containers, and take whatever with them. There is no problem. Right. I mean, no problem, meaning that we can use one lunchbox. So for kids, I would not use, because sometimes they misplace things, or they would place without closing the lid correctly. So that would be the issue.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.